I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger SiteOrigin. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form and fill it out to retrieve the SiteOrigin. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select Mailercloud. Give here the API key, so click on Visit here. Create API key. Give here the API name. Generate key. Copy the API key from here and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Select contact type. Map the respective fields. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Mailercloud. And you can see the data came successfully in Mailercloud. Thanks for watching.